many parts of the country today, but it's all going to change tomorrow as cooler, cloudier weather comes along from the northwest. And there's a reason for it, this cold front leaving Belfast around about lunchtime, and it sets us up for a much cooler holiday weekend, though on the whole a good deal of dry weather as well. Now this is interesting. Look at this little bubble of cloud here over Belgium, because it's drifting a little bit further westwards at the moment towards Kent. It is a thunderstorm actually, so it could give a heavy downpour or thunderstorm just around about the southeastern corner of the country in the next couple of hours before it drifts away again southwards into northern France. For central and eastern parts of England though, with clearer skies, it'll turn very misty like last night, some dense patches of fog around as well, but thicker cloud with outbreaks of light rain, patchy rain coming into Northern Ireland and the western north of Scotland as the night goes on. But it'll be a mild night everywhere, 6 to 10, just about sums it up. Now tomorrow morning for Scotland and Northern Ireland, starting off fairly cloudy with patchy rain here and there. Further south a bit brighter, but there will be this mist and fog to clear away from the central and eastern parts of England, and it'll take some time too. It took a long time this morning to clear the East Midlands. It'll take a similar sort of time tomorrow, but most places are seeing some sunshine for a while. But once the sun gets out, temperatures rising smartly, the clouds will build up and there could be one or two heavier showers developing through the afternoon through the Midlands into southeastern parts of England. About a 30% chance of catching a heavy shower, maybe a thunderstorm in the second half of the day. Now brighter weather coming into the north, that thicker band of cloud though moving south across northern England into Wales and the West Country during the course of the afternoon. Very much colder day up in the north tomorrow, 11 to 15 degrees. It's still pretty warm and humid over these central and eastern parts after that grey and murky start, up to 22 in a few places by mid-afternoon. That same cold front making progress southwards then across the country, dragging its feet a little bit on Sunday afternoon. It does mean to say for central and eastern parts of England it'll be fairly cloudy with bits and bobs of rain about and certainly a drop in temperature. Much brighter weather to the west and north, but some of those showers in northwestern Scotland could turn a little bit wintry. A frost to come on Sunday night, and on Monday a brighter day generally with some sunshine. And that has been quite interesting, especially for England and Wales. It was very warm. It was the 9th warmest this century in actual fact, the temperature about 1.7 degrees above normal. But it was also very wet. It really has been topsy-turvy. About 1.5% the normal rainfall, as you can see here, and that made it the 7th wettest this century. On the dull side too, about 3/4 of the normal sunshine, and that made it the dullest April for something like 27 years. Now, there's been some sunshine around on Friday, but there's also been some rather poor air quality, notably around Manchester, Cheshire and South Yorkshire. But that's all going to change over the weekend. We're going to see some colder, fresher weather coming down from the northwest. But some high temperatures around today. We saw temperatures reaching 25 degrees at Norwich, that was the warmest place, and not far behind Aviemore and Hurstmonceux, about 24 degrees. But many places did exceed 20. I think the reason